revolutionary is happening with the England Test cricket team, and the Maverick come to talk about it. Before former New Zealand batsman Brendan McCullum took over as coach of the England team, England had lost 9 of their previous 10 Test matches. Since McCullum took over, England have won 9 of the last 10 Test matches. Yes, including a just concluded 3-0 sweep of Pakistan in Pakistan. The big difference, the positive and aggressive approach by the New England, led by Captain Ben Stokes, who was also born in New Zealand. Yes, talk about a complete turnaround from boring, coward England to scoring 5 and 6 and 7 runs per over in Test cricket. Yes, making daring declarations, pushing for victory in every single game. If Test cricket is going to survive, this is how it will have to be played. Teams will have to stop trying to draw games, play more aggressive and ultimately entertaining cricket. The ICC must also come along by incentivizing Test match wins, just like FIFA did by replacing 2 points for a win with 3 points for a win in football. Can you all believe it? England is saving Test cricket.